Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here! Oh, hi there.
You seem to be in a good mood. What's going on?
We're here, Dump. We'll help you right away. Helly, can you block off the road, please?
I'm on it.
Car is lost, no press, no trophy, just racing. The way I like it.
Francesco like... St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me. Sneak through that window!
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Go! be right behind you.
Welcome to the chicker, baby.
Piston cup?
It's mine, dude.
The range, the airport.
Holly, pull up the pictures from the oil platform. I want to know what other type of cars were out there.
Little bit of training.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Past River, past Lou, even Junior.
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Listen, you're going to do great today. And no matter what happens, I'm going to move on to the next rookie and forget I...